Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid and I will be sharing my experiences and learnings throughout my art journey. Today we're going to be talking about the 3 tools that I use all the time in my digital paintings. But before we start, please consider supporting me by clicking the like and subscribe buttons. The first tool that I use all the time is the Flip Canvas tool. You'll be surprised how many times you just flip the canvas and suddenly the drawing looks so weird and out of proportion. When we're so focused on the drawings and the details of the drawings, we might not be able to see it or see the big picture, and flipping the canvas immediately gives us a new perspective and a new view into the drawing, and you might see some of the issues that you have with proportions or any other things that might seem odd. I have a few examples here that you might see that it might not be so obvious at first glance because I've been working on it in this view for a long time. It might be obvious to you because this is the first time you look at the drawing. But by flipping the canvas, you see right away that, for example, in this one, the mouth doesn't seem very right. We can see another one here. You can see by flipping the canvas, you can see that one of the eyes looks a lot smaller and also not in the right spot. And the whole face kind of looks weird as soon as you do the canvas flip. We have another one here. The right eye seems a little bit out of proportion compared to the left eye. And when we do the flip canvas, it looks even more obvious. The second tool that I use is the Lasso tool. The Lasso tool is a selection tool that you can use to select the areas that you want to paint. So in this example, I wanted to paint the skin, for example, and I could just select the area that I want and then add the color into it. Another way that I use the Lasso tool is when I want to shade or highlight a specific area and I don't want to affect the other surfaces. For example, if I want to just shade the area here of the arm, I can just select that. And then I can just paint that area afterwards without it affecting anywhere else of the drawing. The third tool that I use all the time is the Liquify tool. The Liquify tool helps you adjust the drawing or the painting by squishing or stretching the spots that you want. So you can use this at any part of your drawing. Especially towards the end of the painting, you might want to move things around, but you don't want to repaint. So the Liquify tool becomes very handy. So the example I have here is in this drawing, the forehead is a little bit too big. So I can just use the Liquify tool. So that's right here, opens up a new window for me. And then I can just adjust and move things around a little bit. And then you can see that I was able to reduce the size of the forehead in this drawing with minimal effort and time. So if we see before and after, this tool can obviously be used in many different ways and in all stages of your drawing process. That's it for this video. 3 easy and essential tools that I use all the time for better digital paintings. Thank you very much for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.